What do you do for fun?
For fun?
Yeah.
What do you call? I don't know what you call it. Like, hold on, let me tell you. Hold on, because I don't know what you call it. But this is what I like to do for fun. Okay, traveling, adventuring, exploring, road tripping, those kind of things. Like that, to me, that is my idea of fun.
That's great. But my free time listening some English content, I really like to traveling.
A lot. I like to see new things.
Yeah, same here.
Like today. Today I'm actually going to a spring. I'm gonna go to a spring today.
Really?
Yes, I'm very excited because it's so beautiful and I really like the color green. It's, to me, green is, oh my gosh, such a beautiful color. Especially the kind of green that's in Florida. It's very vibrant. I love the color green and everything there is so bright and green and I can't wait to go. I'm excited.
If you like green, you also like my country. Everywhere you can see green and green.
I love green. And I love it like when it's bright, like bright green.
Okay. Do you know that my country is based economy based on agriculture, paddy? Do you like paddy field? Green and green. I really enjoy and like very much.
Do you?
Sometime.
I like also, like, sunrise, sunset, those kind of colors. Well, that's not necessarily relevant, but I don't know. I like going and doing things in the morning, early morning, and in the sunset because I like the ambiance.
Yeah, also
I'm screaming.
rising early morning good for health.
Is it? I didn't even know that. Hi, Idol. What do you like to do for fun besides learn English?
I do so many activities like playing cricket, football.
Oh, that's so fun. Like football, soccer?
Yeah, soccer.
Yes. Yeah. My son loves soccer.
What's your favorite player? Do you know Messi?
I was about to say probably Messi.
Yeah, now he is in staying United States, Miami, right?
I know. He lives in the state that I live.
Really? My favorite soccer player is Messi. I'm very crazy
Me too.
fan. And my country, Brazil and Argentina, big fan you can find in my Bangladesh.
I see a lot of people in Bangladesh that like soccer.
Yeah.
I see they like. What's that other guy? I forget his name. I forget. No, it's not Chris Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Christian, is that his name? What's his first name?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, he's very arrogant, and I think that that's why everybody likes Messi so much, despite Christian being such a good player. That's my opinion, though.
Yeah,
I could be wrong.
You're absolutely right. He also good player, but his behavior is not good. That's why everyone love Messi, not him. He also playing good football. I mean soccer. He's a good player.
You can say football. I understand. I just wanted to. I don't even know why I needed to clarify that.
Everyone in my country.
Well, you know why, Molly? They're playing soccer right now. Not soccer. Everybody is playing right now. Like, it's like sports season, and I have to hear about it, which I'm starting to become more and more interested because you get to bet. Hi, Daryl. You get to bet, and I'm really good at winning when I bet.
You don't watch any football match? Oh, you don't like. But
I like hockey. I like to watch hockey. I really like to watch hockey. I do like to watch hockey.
You play hockey?
I play about basketball? I'm actually really good.
You are a good basketball player?
I think so. I'm actually really good. I used to play a lot when I was younger, and what it is I have phenomenal aim. If I'm being honest, I'm not fast. Like I'm not super fast, but I have phenomenal aim.
Okay.
Because I'm not very coordinated. I'm very uncoordinated. Like I'm very clumsy, but my aim is phenomenal. You know what I'm saying? That sounds so contradictory.
You used to play or you still now you playing?
I do not play anymore. I would.
But you don't have enough time to play.
Not really, no. I just don't have the time. But I would.
Okay, sometime it's need to refresh your mind. If you want, you can play basketball sometime. It's also good for health.
You're right. You're right.